Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the default profile picture for your Windows 10 account. If I click on the Start menu, you can see I have the default image for my profile, which is pretty boring. To change this, all you need to do is click on Start and then click on your name. You then need to click on Change Account Settings, and you will now end up with a window that looks like this. Underneath Create Your Picture, we now need to either use our camera to take a picture of yourself, or you can click on Browse for one. Once you have found a picture, all you need to do is click on Choose Picture, and there we go. As you can see, that is now my new profile image, and this will also show up on the main login screen on Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.